We need more horn. Yeah, horn. Shaving a haircut.
No, that's not a that one!
No! More horn.
I know a lot of.
There's CSX Sonic, BNSF War Bonnet.
I know.
That's it.
They whistled. Oh, he whistled off. I've gotten that like 10 times.
I know, you gotta love that.
I would have gotten that.
Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah.
So,
oh yeah.
I was there. I didn't think of bringing my food.
Oh yeah. Good eye.
So then, we leave. And they're like, let's have it. I'm like, no. And then you guys show up and I'm like, okay.
There's 202. Yeah.
Oh, it's smoking like an alcohol.
Oh, foam, foam, foam.
You got me those things that are like alcohol.
Oh.
Well, that's not.
We got a lot of police presence here.
Oh, I thought you meant
that explains the shaving a haircut.
There's our friends from the Post, the VFW.
It's probably great to be an engineer. You can do it all you want.
Yeah.
Why is everybody wearing green? What's going on?
St. Patrick's Day parade.
This is the St. Patrick's Day.
You walk? No, I spoke to you.
What's going on over there?
Yelling and.
They know each other.
I thought I didn't know left them. Put the frickin' gates up.
Gates ain't going up for a while.
Started yelling at us for going over there.
Went on the track. He's like, you want to go to jail?
Who
I'm
said
like,
that?
One of the cops. And I said, I ain't going to jail because you're not going to catch me. There's like thousands of